In this question, we are asked to simplify 2x squared plus 6x minus 16 by dividing x minus 2 into it. In order to start, you need to figure out what you need to multiply x by to get x squared. The answer to that is x. Then you multiply x by the divisor, which is x, and you get x squared. And then you need to multiply x by minus 2 to get the next number, which is minus 2x, and you change the signs in order to cancel off the x squared. The next step, you now need to bring minus 16 down and repeat the same steps. You need to figure out what you need to multiply x by to get 8x, and the answer to that is plus 8. So now you need to multiply plus 8 by x and put it down underneath 8x, and then you multiply plus 8x by minus 2 and you get minus 16. Now you need to change the signs to cancel off, and at this stage you should get a 0. Your answer should be x plus 8. In this question, we are asked to figure out the length of this rectangle. We know the area is 2x cubed minus 13x squared plus 25x minus 12, and the width is x minus 3. We find out the length by dividing the area by the width. So for this question, it's the same method as with the ordinary level question, it's just slightly harder because you have to do an extra step. So to start off, you need to figure out what you need to multiply x by to get 2x cubed, and that's 2x squared. So now you have to multiply both terms being divided in by 2x squared, and that gives you 2x cubed minus 6x squared. So the next step is to cancel off, so you do that by changing the signs. So you change 2x cubed into minus 2x cubed and minus 6x squared into plus 6x squared. And now you just cancel off like it's a normal sum. So plus 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is equal to 0, minus 13x squared plus 6x squared is equal to minus 7x squared. So the next step is to bring down plus 25x, and then you need to repeat the steps that you've already done. So how many times x needs to be multiplied to get minus 7x squared? The answer to that is minus 7x. So the next thing you need to do is multiply minus 7x by the two terms being divided in. Minus 7x times x is equal to minus 7x squared, and minus 7x times minus 3 is equal to plus 21x. And now you need to change the signs and cancel off again. So minus 7x squared plus 7x squared is 0, and plus 25x minus 21x is equal to 4x. Now you need to bring down minus 12, and you repeat the same step again. So how many times does x need to be multiplied to get 4x? And that's 4. And then you multiply plus 4 by x and minus 3, so you get 4x minus 12, and you need to change the signs and cancel off, and at this stage you should get a 0. So your answer is 2x squared minus 7x plus 4.